What if your Excel sheet had a real search box, just like an app, where you type a name and data instantly appears? No dropdowns. No scrolling. Let me show you how to build a professional Excel search bar using the Developer tab. Okay, let's get started. First, let's get our data ready. Imagine you're working in HR with a list of employees. Before using advanced features, Excel needs to clearly understand this data. Select the entire range by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to Insert, then click Table. Make sure My Table as Headers is checked, and hit OK. This turns your list into a structured table that expands automatically and works perfectly with formulas. To create a real search box, we'll use the Developer tab. If you don't see it yet, right-click the ribbon, then Customize Ribbon, check Developer, and click OK. Now we're ready to build the search bar. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and under ActiveX Controls, choose Text Box. Now draw the text box at the top of your sheet. This text box is our search bar. Anything typed here will control what data Excel displays. To make this look more professional, let's add a search icon. Go to Insert, then Icons. Choose the magnifying glass, and click Insert. Place it outside the text box. Resize and align it neatly on the left. Next, insert a rectangle shape. Set the fill to no fill, and the outline to black. This creates a clear border around the search box, and instantly makes the dashboard look more polished, modern, and user-friendly. Next, we need Excel formulas to read what's typed inside the search box. Right-click the text box, choose Properties, and find the property called Link Cell. Set it to an empty cell, for example, G2. Once the design is done, go to the Developer tab, and make sure Design Mode is turned off. Now your search box is fully interactive and ready to use. Now whatever I type in the search box appears automatically in cell G2. Now click on cell F6, and let's build the formula step by step. Start with equals filter. Then, select the entire data range you want to return. Next, we'll tell Excel when to return those rows. Type this number. Inside that, use the search function. For the search text, select the cell linked to the search box, here it's G2. Then select the column where Excel should look for matches, which is the name column. Finally, add a friendly message, No match found. Close the formula, and press Enter. Excel now filters the table dynamically as you type in the search box. Now watch this. I type John in the search box, and Excel instantly shows every employee named John. I type Horace, and it shows no match found. This is fast, clean, and perfect for large datasets. If this Excel trick helped you work faster, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel lesson.